Apples are high in fiber, which aids digestion. Banana. Bananas are rich in potassium, which supports heart health. Cherries are packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. Coconuts provide healthy fats that can boost energy. Grapes contain resveratrol, which promotes heart health. Kiwis are loaded with vitamin C, which boosts immunity. Mangoes are rich in vitamin A, good for eye health. Oranges are an excellent source of vitamin C, supporting skin health. Peaches are low in calories and great for hydration due to their high water content. Plums aid digestion and prevent constipation due to their fiber content. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants that protect against chronic diseases. Red berries like raspberries are high in fiber and support healthy digestion. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C and support skin health. Watermelons are hydrating and rich in vitamins A and C. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants that boost brain health.